Namaste. Welcome to International Day of Yoga, 6th IDY practice. It's a crisp module for the children. Let's start with the prayer. Stretch both the legs. Come to the cross leg position. Adapt to Namaskara Mudra. Prepare yourself for prayer of International Day of Yoga. Chant Om. Om. Sangachatvam samvadatvam samvo manansi janata deva bhagam yata purve sanjananam upasate sanjananam upasate sanjananam upasate. Release Namaskara Mudra. Stretch yourself. Prepare for the warm up. Now stretch your legs. Leg out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Now keep both the legs together. Prepare for leg folding. Right fold leg, other one, stretch one, stretch. Fold your left leg, right one, stretch, stretch. Fold your left leg, right, stretch, stretch. Smile once again. Fold, fold, stretch. For the hands, open your palm, close. Open, close. Now, exercise for the neck. Hold your hand on the hip. Right bend, straight. Left bend, straight. Right bend, straight. Left bend, straight. Right, straight. Now, front, straight. Back, straight. Front, straight. Back, straight. Relax. Now, hip rotation. Stretch your hands. Move to your right, straight. Left, straight. Straight, back, straight. Back, straight. Right, straight. Left, straight. Right, straight. Relax. Now hip rotation, Kati Chalna. Second one. Rotate your belly. Belly dance. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax. Now prepare for asana. The first one, Tadasana. Keep both the legs together. Stand straight, neck straight. Stretch your both the hands. Join your hands and stretch up, stretch. Give a nice stretch to yourself. Feel the straightening of your back. Enjoy the Tadasana. Strengthen your back. Now slowly bring your hands down to your head. Release the posture. Come for Padahastasana. Prepare for Padahastasana. Keep both the legs together. Stretch both the hands up, up, up. You're touching the roof. Slowly bend back, bend down. Bring your head close to the legs. Touch your feet. Breathe over there. Breathe. Slowly come up. Relax. Next one is Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Keep both the legs together, hands on your hip. Slowly with the inhalation you have to bend back. Inhale and bend back. Only as much as possible. Then slowly return back. Stretch as much as possible. Breathe out then come back. Relax. Next standing posture is Trikonasana. Legs apart. Both hands parallel to the ground. Move your right foot to the right side. Slowly bend towards right. Look at the left palm tip. Look at the left palm tip. Palm should face me. Yeah, this side. Breathe out there. Slowly breathe out there and slowly come up. Come up. Turn the feet. Now left foot to left side. Slowly bend towards left. Look at the right palm tip. Breathe over there. Look at the right palm tip. Breathe over there. Come back. Now join both the legs. Jump. Yes. Next is sitting posture Vajrasana. You have to fold both the legs and sit on your ankle. Chin Mudra in both the hands. Chin Mudra in both the hands. Close your eyes. Vajrasana improves your concentration. Improves your concentration. Focus over there. Relax. Release the posture. Stretch your both the legs. Stretch your both the legs. Come to the Samatala Sthiti. From here again we are going for Ardha Ushtrasana. Bend back and stand on your knee joint. Keep your hands on your hip or buttocks. Slowly push your back with inhalation. Go back. Bend as much as possible. Now slowly come back. Relax. Stretch both the legs. One more posture with the folded legs, that is Shashankasana. From Samatala Sthiti, go back, sit on Vajrasana first. Sit on your ankle. Now stretch both the hands up, up, up. You are touching the roof. Exhalingly bend forward. Try to touch your forehead to the ground. Breathe over there. Shashanka means rabbit. Enjoy being a rabbit there. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly come up. Relax. Release the posture. Now we are starting with the lying down postures. Start with Makarasana. Then come to Bhujangasana Sthiti. Keep your palm below the shoulder. Forehead on the neck. Slowly with the inhalation you have to raise up. Your forehead, chest up to the stomach. Look up. Then slowly come down. Again lie down in Makarasana. We started with Makarasana, Bhujangasana, then again Makarasana. Now we'll go for grasshopper, locust posture, Shalabhasana. Insert both the hands below your hips. Keep your chin on the ground. Slowly lift your both the legs up. Try. Lift your legs up. Relax. Lie down in Makarasana again. After Shalabhasana. Relax in Makarasana. Now slowly you have to come to your spine. Supine postures. You have to lie down on your back. After Makarasana, we'll start with the supine postures. Lie down on your back, fold both the legs, hold it with your hands, keep it close to the chest. Slowly raise your head up. Pavana Muktasana Sthiti, you have to go front and back, roll. Forward, backward, forward, backward. Enjoy strengthening your spine. Relax. relax. We conclude the asanas here. Relax in Shavasana. Spread your legs apart, hands apart, palm should touch the sky, palm should touch the sky. Relax. Avoid movement of your body, just being relaxed. Enjoy your breathing, watching the sky, relax over there. 20 minutes of Shavasana is equal to 3 hours of sleep. Let's enjoy Shavasana. Now, keep both the legs together. Stretch both the hands above your head. Slowly you have to get up now. Keep your hands on the stomach. Fold your left leg. Fold your left leg. Roll on to your right side. With the support of your hands, slowly come to the sitting posture. Slowly come to the sitting posture. Turn, 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 turn. Yes, yes, yes. Now, adapt Namaskara Mudra. Fold your left leg, then right one. Come to the cross leg posture, then adapt to Namaskara Mudra. We'll do the concluding prayer, Namaskara Mudra. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha Sarve Santu Niramayah Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkhavag Bhavet Om Shanti 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 Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Salutation to your favorite God. Matra Devo Bhava. Salutation to your mother. Pitra Devo Bhava. Salutation to your father. Acharya Devo Bhava. Atiti Devo Bhava. Rashtra Devo Bhava. Then salutation to Mother Earth. Saluting the Mother Earth. Let's conclude here. Thank you. Thank you for joining.